Welcome back, my rusty friends. Today we're gonna start strong. Because in this episode we are doing something absolutely insane. We are pulling the engine. Yes, the entire motor out of the baby M3. Why? Because the engine needs a full spa weekend. A refresh, rebirth, and a whole new life. New bearings, new seals, new everything. If it moves, we rebuild it. If it leaks, we fix it. If it is shiny, it probably won't be shiny, let's be honest. And as you saw in the last video, this engine is not only oily, not only greasy, this thing is dripping, sweating, crying oil from every pore. Everywhere I look, oil, and more of oil. I have never seen an underbody this dirty in my entire life. This car is basically marinated. But first, let's take a quick peek at the engine bay. Surprisingly, it actually looks kinda stock, cleanish. Not clapped, not horrific, kinda okay. I don't know how old the oil in the engine is, but don't worry, because that oil is coming out anyway. And of course, we've got that check engine light. It is a BMW. This thing came from factory with the light already on. Still don't know why it is on. I haven't even plugged the laptop in, but hey, a future problem. So to get started, we gotta drain everything. Oil, coolant, whatever fluids are left in this poor thing. We also have the AC system and a small problem. I don't have the correct AC machine. I don't even know what it is called. So we're doing it the fun old way, the dangerous way. And maybe also the I hope we survive this way. Now we start disassembling the entire front end, bumper, headlights, everything, because the engine is coming out through the top. Means we're not dropping the subframe, we're doing it the easy way, we're using this beautiful crane right here. And I hope it works. First thing to go, the hood. The hood is basically a very large, a very angry obstacle in the middle of everything. Left side off, right side off, lift it up and boom, hood on the floor. Instant race car. Next, the bumper. 2 screws underneath, 2 screws hidden behind the fender, pop it off like a Lego piece. Then the headlights. 4 bolts, only 1 plug, easy clap. Now you can see us, 3-man demolition crew, having the time of our lives taking apart the whole front end. Most of the time I'm supervising, but here you can see me actually walking for a few seconds. Proof that I do something. Air filter out, washer reservoir out, and now the AC problem I mentioned before. We have a pressurized system with toxic fluid and absolutely zero proper tools. I guess we are doing it the backyard style. Safety gear time. Pizza board as a shield, safety glasses on, and okay, that looked way less dramatic than I expected. Coolant out, more water out, 3 dudes draining 1 BMW, a true bonding moment. Now comes the ugly part, the underbody panels. Oh my god. This is not dirt, this is not grease, and this is not oil. This is a biological ecosystem. The greasiest thing I have ever seen. And now we're back on top. Here is me trying to open the steering fluid cap. I should have gone to the gym. Then my friend walks in, puts 3 little grabbers on it and opens it like a water bottle. Embarrassing. We move on. Now everything is disconnected. Well, I thought everything was disconnected. Turns out it wasn't. This little bearing loom is just holding the whole front end. It is now the next day. Everything is truly disconnected. The oil is drained, lines are removed, and my feelings are completely hurt. We still need to disconnect this big hose and the 12-volt cable. And of course, the entire wiring loom, which lives in a tiny little plastic box with the ECU. And about 6 billion cables that all go to mysterious places.
Machen wir die Box auf.
Das sind ja nur 4 Schrauben, glaube ich.
Before touching the ECU, we go to the trunk and disconnect the battery. We found 2 towels in the trunk, premium DNA towels, so of course I'm lying on them. And the trunk is basically comfort mode. Battery off, safety towel on the cable, professional. Back to the engine. The engine cover is off, more cables and more wires. Now I'm doubting the whole rebuild idea, because the engine looks kind of good, but hey, we already came this far, no turning back. Should I throw this nut to make our decision easier? Then we have to rebuild it. Let's move on. Cowl packs off, 6 of them because 6 big cylinders. Wiring loom out, ground wires off, more hoses disconnected. Exhaust time. Rusty bolts, very rusty bolts. Let's pray we got them off. This one is easy, this one is not easy. This one magically easy again. Timer time! These 2 brackets must come off or we can't drop the exhaust. Impact gun activated, life is good again. 2 bolts we can't see, but Kilian saves the day, exhaust off, heavy as hell. This thing is even heavier as a mom. Sorry. Transmission is now loose. Meanwhile, Kilian is disassembling something up front. I have no idea what, but it looks very important. Inside the car, I'm removing the shifter because otherwise the transmission would still be attached to the car. When we yank the engine out, bad combo. 10 minutes later, maybe another day, another disaster. The entire engine is out. My GoPro didn't record any of it, not a frame. But trust me, it was a 20-minute job. Shockingly easy. 4 hours. What have we done? Now look at this engine bay. So oily, so greasy, so disgusting. I have no idea how to clean this. We might need a pressure washer, acid, fire, I don't know. The nature is thanking us. Let's appreciate this little crane a bit more. He carried the whole engine and the transmission. Sometimes it gave up, lifted the engine 2 centimeters, then dropped it 1 centimeters again. But hey, nothing broke and we are completely fine. Sometimes it got a little bit close. We didn't rip any hoses. Cables, okay, I did rip one ground wire cable, but it was unreachable anyway. Easy fix for us. Now we separate the transmission from the engine. Just a few bolts. Looks very simple. Next step, get the engine onto the engine stand, but we are missing one bolt. One single bolt. And without it, the engine will tip forward and crush us. So we need to wait another time. So that's it for today. Short video, very chaotic, very greasy. We pulled the whole engine out and now the fun begins. The next steps, clean the engine bay, clean the car, clean the interior, paint exterior parts, rebuild the entire engine. And if you like the video, hit that like button, drop a comment and of course subscribe for more Baby M3 madness. There's only one more episode online at the moment, so go check that out too. See you in the next one. Bye bye. See you.